You walk into a basement, rental, or used car, and that stale mix of smoke, pets, and musty odor hits immediately. Ozone generators can attack stubborn smells, but they require serious safety precautions. Today, we are ranking 7 ozone generators for controlled odor treatment in completely unoccupied spaces. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Airthereal 5000. For occasional odor treatment, enormous ozone output is not necessarily the goal. The Airthereal 5000 takes a more approachable route, giving homeowners a straightforward machine for treating everything from vehicles and bathrooms to basements and larger rooms when nobody is inside. Its timer runs for up to 120 minutes, so you can choose a treatment window, leave the area, and let the machine shut itself down. There is also a continuous hold mode, although timed sessions make far more sense for most household situations because excessive ozone exposure can damage materials as well as irritate lungs. This model is positioned for spaces ranging from compact areas to roughly 2,000 square feet and targets stubborn sources such as smoke, cooking odors, pet accidents, and mustiness. I would recommend it for occasional residential deodorizing, where simplicity matters more than maximum output. People, animals, and plants must be removed during operation, and the area should be properly aired afterward. For dust or pollen, use filtration instead. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Hadlook. When you are treating a large basement, workshop, or heavily affected rental, the Hadlook goes dramatically bigger on advertised ozone production. Its maximum claimed output reaches 48,000 milligrams per hour, with suggested coverage extending beyond 4,000 square feet. That kind of output makes this far less appropriate for casual experimentation. The sensible use case is aggressive odor remediation in sealed, completely vacant environments where smoke, pet smells, cooking odors, or similar contamination has already been cleaned at the source as much as possible. Operation itself is uncomplicated. Turn the mechanical timer, leave the space, and the unit begins treatment. A hold setting allows continuous production, although that requires substantially more care than a controlled time cycle. This makes the most sense for users handling large spaces and persistent odor problems rather than ordinary everyday air cleaning. Hadlook explicitly warns that people, pets, and plants must stay away during treatment and recommends ventilation afterward. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Airthereal 10K. Airthereal steps up the treatment area with the 10K using an upgraded honeycomb ozone plate designed for more stable output across larger spaces. The manufacturer positions it for areas beyond 3,500 square feet, putting it squarely into larger home, basement, office, and restoration territory. The controls remain refreshingly simple. You get a timer adjustable from 0 to 120 minutes plus a hold mode for continuous operation. For most homeowners, that simplicity is valuable because you do not need to navigate complicated menus while planning an odor treatment cycle. Smoke and cooking smells are the obvious targets here, but Airthereal also provides an unusually useful warning. Excessive ozone can accelerate oxidation and aging in furniture finishes, electronics, and other interior materials. Bigger doses are not automatically better. This is the model I would choose for users needing stronger output while still wanting straightforward mechanical controls. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Mammoth. Most ozone generators look like industrial boxes you would rather hide in a closet. Mammoth takes a very different approach with a wooden enclosure and combines ozone production with negative ion generation, creating one of the more unusual machines in this ranking. Ozone output reaches up to 3,000 milligrams per hour, and the controls let you adjust both treatment strength and operating time. That lower maximum output compared with several high-capacity competitors makes it more naturally suited to targeted household spaces and vehicles rather than massive restoration jobs. The ionization feature is designed to charge airborne particles so they settle onto surfaces. That does not mean the particles magically disappear, however. Dust and pollen still need to be physically removed through cleaning or proper filtration, and ionizers are generally less effective for these allergens than high-efficiency particle filtration. I would recommend Mammoth for buyers who value adjustable output, aesthetics, and moderate odor treatment. Its wooden cabinet looks far friendlier in a home than bare industrial metal. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Onamor. Sometimes the machine needs to move between a basement, rental property, vehicle, and workshop instead of living permanently in one room. Onamor addresses that with an all-metal body weighing under 5 pounds and a built-in carrying handle, making its substantial output surprisingly portable. The manufacturer claims maximum ozone production of 77,000 milligrams and coverage reaching roughly 4,000 square feet. Whether you actually need that much depends heavily on the room and odor problem, which is why starting conservatively with the timer is much smarter than immediately turning everything to maximum. That timer extends to 180 minutes, giving you more control than many 2-hour models. There is also a continuous hold setting for specialized treatment. This is a strong option for property managers, contractors, or homeowners treating multiple unoccupied locations. The metal shell also makes more sense around garages and workspaces than delicate decorative housings. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. OdorFree. Huge output numbers can grab attention, but predictable control and long-term support may matter more when you are dealing with ozone. OdorFree has been focused on this category for more than 20 years and takes a relatively measured approach with adjustable output ranging from 150 to 2,800 milligrams per hour. The timer is unusually flexible, running anywhere from 1 to 12 hours, with manual operation available for specialized longer treatments. Advertised coverage reaches approximately 4,000 square feet, giving the machine enough range for substantial residential or commercial odor problems. This makes the most sense for buyers who value adjustability and serviceability, rather than simply chasing the largest milligram number on a product page. Replaceable plates and filters make ongoing maintenance more practical, and the 5-year warranty provides extra reassurance. For smoke, pet, and persistent property odors, that deliberate approach is appealing. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. OdorStop. The OdorStop balances controllability, construction, maintenance, and support better than the higher output machines chasing spectacular specification numbers. Its variable ozone production ranges from 100 to 1,200 milligrams per hour, letting you tailor treatment instead of flooding every space with maximum output. A 12-hour timer and hold function provide plenty of scheduling flexibility, while the 110 cubic feet per minute fan helps distribute ozone through medium-sized areas. 2 ozone plates handle production, and the design lets you access those plates for cleaning without dismantling the entire housing. That is a small maintenance detail you will appreciate later. You also get a washable filter, aluminum construction, and ultraviolet functionality. More importantly, for long-term ownership, OdorStop backs the machine with a 5-year warranty and customer support. This is my pick for controlled residential and professional deodorizing where precision matters more than brute force. It targets smoke, pet, cooking, and similar persistent odors. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best ozone generators you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.